Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unfeature an article in Joomla 3.X. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Let us check the front end of our website. As you can see, we have featured two articles on the front end of our website. To unfeature this article, go back to your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu. Click on the yellow star icon next to the article you want to unfeature. Now visit the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, the article has been unfeatured. Similarly, you can unfeature other articles as per your requirement. This is how you can unfeature articles in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.